Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got a couple of unboxings, which as you can see I've already took them out of the box, took them out of their plastic bag. Yeah, I've been on Amazon again. So, I needed a couple more of these to kit up some big canvases. So, these were on sale. And I think I don't remember what I gave for them. It may have been $16. I don't know. I'll have to look. But I will leave it in the description box. And I will leave a link to these in my description box also, because they both came from Amazon. So, we will start with this one because isn't it cute? Isn't that cute? Yes. But it has a rubber extended handle. It's got the double zippers. And it's hard. And this is silky feeling. But y'all, look at that cover. I love it. But I have not looked in any of these. Or either one of these. Like I said, I got it. And I took it out of the Amazon box. And that was it. So, on the inside, we have got a pocket. The mesh pocket. And these are 60 bottles. And they are the tall bottles. The tops are that filmy looking top. It's not clear, but the bottles are. So, the bottles look good. Alright. And then you get with this, let's see. Wow. I didn't realize that this stuff was with it. Okay. As I really didn't look at any of this that was on the description. I just wanted 60 bottles. I liked the design and the price was good. So, you get 3 of these sticky pads. A pink, a purple, and a yellow. It looks like we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, because that's a double thing there. Get 20 little squares of wax. Oh, wow. I was going to say, okay, you get 3 of the purple. I've never used these. You get 3 of these purple trays with the flip. I don't know if I'd like that. Has any of y'all used these? Yeah, I don't think I'd like that. But you get 3 of these purple trays. Maybe it's just that tray. Well, that one's broke. Well, let's try this one. Yeah, I don't like the tray. I like that it's purple, but I don't think I would like that. And you really ain't got to use it, I don't guess. You just pour them out. So you get 3 of the purple trays. You get a pink round funnel. So that's pretty nice. Ooh, and it's thin. The ones I have got, you know, the thick, round, or square into it. And that's thinner. I like that. Alright, so you've got 4 squishies. 2 pink, 2 blue. And 4 pink pins. And one of them has a straightener. Then you've got a 3-placer. Looks like a 5 and maybe a 9. Maybe. So, that's not bad. Alright, let me just put these in here. These probably got broke from having them in here. So, I love this. Absolutely love it. Alright, so we'll set that one to the side. Now, this one, I might have to scoot that over further. Well, you know what? Let me just move it completely. Alright, so this one came in 2 different styles, but I like this one better. And it's also got the rubber extended handle, 2 zippers, hard case. Alright. And again, I have not been in these. So, alright. So you see how these lids are clear to where those are like filmy. Yeah, I like the clear ones better, but I like a case. So these are the tall ones, and the difference in those, these are the small ones and those are the tall ones. You can't get very many in that like you can in these. So there's the difference. But yeah, I like these bottles. I didn't know if I would actually even like this type of storage system, but I really do. Wow, this comes with a lot of stuff. You know, that one didn't even come with stickers. I just realized that. Okay. Alright, so this case, well, it comes with blanks and then 1 through 100. Well, that's pretty cool. I guess I could use these on that one. So that's neat. And then it also has the vinyl pocket. It doesn't zip though. It's just the pocket. It comes with a pair of the plastic weird shaped tweezers. It comes with 2 of these. What are these things called? I forgot. Binder clips. Yeah. But it comes with 2 of those. Okay. And it comes with, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 heart wax, pink wax. And, it comes with, well, one, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, but look, they're not rounded. They're, what is this? Like a, what is this called? Octagon shaped. But this one has a straightener. This one has the crooked end. That one looks like maybe a 5, 6 placer maybe. 3 placer and maybe a 9 or 10 placer. I like the color though. But that's weird. I've never seen any of the pins like that. It's different. Alright, and let's see. I can get this open. Alright, comes with one of these reusable zip bags, which I really like these. Alright. And it also comes with a round pink funnel. But you see the difference in this and... oh, I can get it out of there. See the difference? Yeah, I like that one. Alright, so we get a pink funnel. You get a white, 2 white trays. You get the blue tray that has the pin holder. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get 10 of these little Ziploc baggy thingies. That's neat. Alright. We've got some more of the sticky pads. You get 2 of the purple. And then you get a big straightener. Which these come in handy for all kinds of stuff. So, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Because again, I didn't look to see what was coming with this stuff. I just seen the case. And it was on sale. And I needed a 60 container case so that I could kit up a couple big canvases. So what do y'all think about these? Which one do you like best? I like them both, but I think this one's my favorite as far as the picture goes. I think it's just really cute. So, alright y'all, I will leave the links to these in my description box. I cannot say whether or not they're still on sale. They were when I got them, and that was, ooh, as of filming this, I got these like 3-4 days ago. By the time you see this, it'll probably be a week, so they may not be on sale when you see this, but still, they're nice, and you get a lot of stuff with it. So, alright y'all, I hope everybody's having a great day, and I hope everybody's staying cool, because here in Kentucky, it is hot. So, alright y'all, I appreciate each and every one of you, and until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye y'all.